For most of modern art history, artists were taught a single path to legitimacy. Get discovered, get represented, get validated by institutions. Galleries, publishers, studios, platforms, someone else controlled access, pricing, and visibility. But that model is very much out the window. In this video, we're gonna get a little tech bro-y, but not too much, I promise. The successful modern artist isn't asking, how do I get picked? They're asking, how do I build a community that actually supports my work? Decentralized creative communities aren't about cutting out the middleman just for the sake of it. They're about changing the relationship between artist and audience. From passive consumption to active participation. Collectors aren't just buyers anymore, they're supporters, collaborators, early believers. It's LimeWire peer-to-peer for the working artist. Instead of one-time transactions, artists are building ecosystems. Limited releases, behind-the-scenes access, early drops, private channels, physical, digital hybrids. Ownership becomes experiential, not just material. People aren't paying only for their artwork, they're investing in the artist's trajectory. What's powerful about this shift is resilience. When your income and visibility are tied to a single platform or gatekeeper, you're fragile. When they're spread across a community that values your work, you're stable. Algorithms change, institutions pivot, communities endure. This also redefines what success looks like. You don't need millions of followers, you just need a small, committed group of people who genuinely care about your work, and then you can sustainably engage an audience. Depth matters more than scale. And importantly, this model restores something artists lost along the way, which is agency. You decide how your work is shared, what access looks like, how value is created, and how your story unfolds. The artist is no longer the product, the relationship is. The future of collective and creative work isn't centralized or permission-based. It's built on trust, meaning, and communities that grow with the artist instead of extracting from them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you haven't taken the decentralized community approach, and that's a very fancy way of saying things like Patreon, Gumroad, Kickstarter, anything that's like crowdfunded and community oriented, I think this is gonna be the year for you guys to look into that, because I know I'm gonna start doing a little bit of a pivot and a shift there myself. So hopefully you can be with me for the journey and you get something out of this video and the ones coming up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.